as the back adopted back in my mind. So to me, when people say no, the woman has a professional team. She communicates with a professional team. They draft it, they get it checked, then they release it. But so maybe now, no one who says he's supposed to do the same thing. Ask people that come and speak online. We speak online because we love her.
Yeah.
Not because of any other reason, because we love her.
Yeah.
And when we hear something about the other people, and we want to support her, we want her to know that she's loved by someone. So
to say a better, also we a lawyer. What could do Ghana? Yeah, Pawacho, Nanquaco report, Nanka won't know what the cheer near who's all your lawyer and powers were Johnny. What's what Johnny? What's still your guy? What's still now winning law from Europe to this for this international? Also, quite no way, Johnny. Quite no way, Johnny. Nanko actually, no more no more grass, also a Johnny. I feel no abegina none of my fellow one police for and my friend one way. Also do Ghana with Johnny. Fry Fronia went to me uncle police station. And about police to no by no video we saw come out them. On also or call or chain and then no soon patrol and or didn't trust not to say case me but we didn't true. Chicken and a face was negative chicken no can say. And I almost more go to live kind of you should go and find the live now if your car said who but chimia you remember police for that chimumu. Yes, yeah. One cohesion now say because I'm a plan they say I'm a putting in out so all
out I'm a plan they say so because if somebody goes and
arrest
report them to police, which is in line with their own with their rights as individuals. Someone call police station. Someone has committed a crime. They what they will do is they will make sure that they will make the person also have a case, which is by fabricating a case against them. And so you, Team Legal Wife, you people should go and find those videos in preparation. Because everybody keeps saying all the time to us, they say, Team Legal Wife before, you people love, what do they say? You people love to talk, you talk all your business before it's out. No. We should not talk before we know the outcome. We should try to keep secrets, I agree. But we are not worse than them. So nowadays, I won't come and be one thing.
Yeah.
But we think we are the lion. We think the lion because there's no way you would say you would tell everyone you say it loud. But so we always think they're lying, and then we realize it's come just as they've said it.
Now, I think I meant I say as some more court. Check out Tontoma. Check out where we see any. I mean, men drink chicken into my own tone. Actually, into my let me give you keys. No, you guys should go back and look at the fabric into my own tone. I'm gonna share but that lumber Sunday, yeah. Sunday, no, you won't come back to the Pinamon. It's exactly the same one. Exactly the same one. So it's probably the ones that were not able to sell. Because I'm selling no more. It's exactly the same cloth. I didn't say what quarter. Most of the injunction to say more behind lumber. Say no behind. I didn't know. Nobody can. But now they have already started, mommy. This is Ghana for you. But go back and speak. Go back. Yeah, what are you doing?
But Jumana, don't you think the new Abusia Penny House also have got the right to put an injunction on this?
I mean, remember, you're in Kasawa. Why?
Okay. Okay, it's better that way because I know the new Akosua Penny. I know he's got his head up. So I speak to somebody very close to them as well. I communicate a lot with the person, very very close to them, and it gives me.
Sorry. From my observation, yeah, the root cause and yeah. yes, Uncle Funo, Onyema Lumba, no, that guy is very evil, eh? That woman, if you follow her and what she does behind the scenes, she plays a role so well. She goes on every life. Then make Mama Akosua look so bad. Until it sells Mama Akosua in a way to them and say, Mama, you're very wicked. Okay, platform Okobiano. She's the one insulting Mama Akosua indirectly. So, but you have to deal very, very fast before.
Nobody has a time.
No, listen. Oh, but you say we don't have a time. But but you say you don't have a time. But the way or the information go out, no, very effective.
I know.
Very effective, effective. Or can't say don't hear my say oh, my man
now. Or the gullible people.
You can't say that. You can't say.
Yeah, what can you now? No, yeah. Sometimes people think acting fast is the best way. Sometimes it's not acting fast the best way. Sometimes it's about acting when you should act. So it means that you get everything together, you get what you need, and then you act. And see, what you guys should be doing is more screen record, not just like more yen and number when your video or a to trend or me part no. More from phone. More be who says around
London O2 in
the A, B, and C. Once I say,
now there's a part of it and Anama McBrown, original stage now.
Oh, like cut and paste, just record it. So there's no need for you to cut and paste. Now my again, now my keep because what they are doing, no, with time, no, we will show. They will have to bring the information. They will have to bring the information. So let's just keep quiet. Let's just keep calm, silent. Gather and let's do it. That's it. Let's just gather. Let's not talk too much about what we would like to do and how we would like to do it. Let's just gather.
Okay, Jimana, you are right. But you see, with these people, yeah, I've been on TikTok for like 3 years now. And then for someone like Chickle and all those, you know, they are not relevant. So I don't know why people listen to them. For such a person, today when I saw that you were having this back and forth thing with that lady, what's her name? Evangelist, whatever. Yeah, because
I didn't know. No, I didn't have it today. I had it yesterday. It wasn't today.
Oh, okay, it was yesterday.
Yeah,
Mommy, I understand you. Because your intellectual level is, I was like, really? How would she even understand you?
Let me explain something, right? So you are right. Okay. That's why I don't do too much of it. I don't go in there. But sometimes when I get invitational, I will go. And when I went there, I was down and she just kept lying. She was spewing this story. And the story sounds, she's a good storyteller. And the story sounds like it sounded like she knew facts and she didn't. It was lies. So essentially, I went up, I was pulled up to go and speak. And she was gone. I wasn't going to have a conversation with her. Then the minute I said 1 or 2 words, she came back up and started talking over me. So I was like, you wait your freaking turn, you're rude. Like, So that was what it was. It was more like, you know, she tried to come and silence me. And I was very clear that I'm not there to have a debate with her. She needs to keep quiet now. She's spoken and now it's my turn to speak. So when I was there, no, only the host could ask me questions. I was not there to speak to anybody. So I said, I on that platform where you have a lot of Priscilla's people on there, it is very important sometimes, even though you're going to the Dragon Den, it is extremely important to go there and tell them the other side. So what I did is I went there and I spoke from the other side, even if it's 2 people that realize that these people are not credible. From the other side, and then I left. If you realize, once I left, I was totally
good.
Totally, I did not stay for questions. They were like, scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm just not here for you. I just think you're beneath me. So the minute I finished saying what I wanted to say, I just left. I didn't engage.
Jimana, I agree with you. I think that's what most of most of the team legal wives should do. When they see a platform like that and they get the opportunity, they should go there and debunk their lies.
Yeah.
When you start doing that, they'll start running off the people's platform with their lies.
I feel that,
Indeed.
Jumana, I feel that those people, I don't know whether they are suffering from is this schizophrenia or something? I don't know. There is this mental health. Yeah, because you know what, the kind of things they can say to make it perfect. No, you know, when such people, they can really tell a story. I don't know if you've ever, experienced such a person before.
They believe. Listen, I'm telling you now.
You know what it is.
Some of them. I'm not going to mention name, but there's someone in that group, both and Frida. I said I wasn't going to mention it, but it's like sometimes they say they believe in their own story.
Yes.
They really they say so much. They believe in their own story.
They believe in their own lies. They believe in their own lies.
Because they will sit there and they will make him with the chest up high, as if it is facts and it's not facts. Frida will move from there is no divorce, she's still married, to there is a divorce. It is and confidently. And Frida will even to the point, this is the scary thing about Frida. And I say to Frida, freedom is power show. So if you can hear me say documents now was still online in it's a lie. Only document to be and I mean say we can trust and why document to be really go live pretending say when your official information from court. Now Frida, I would love for you to prove me wrong. Opa, just come to Ghana and now tell me where we can go. Na young court. Na young prove say the who can your rights. And power way me power show. Na Ghana evidence number. Na Ghana all of us should just rest. Me who say maybe my many doing trouble because me mama no or your boy company me mama me don't know matter what. But maybe Ghana needs peace. And say what? Documents now would share group now who do who read it when your document for official from government all that stuff. All I want to say you maybe see what the intro. You lie and you make up document and to sue me and I mean sue. I say I didn't share independent lawyer and some and an independent judge in some. Not Ghana, then Ghana should be okay. I should speak Tree, and so Ghana, not Ghana, peace. Because me say me who they me who, and I they walk in here and throw, and I make a check on a phone. You know, say who they would didn't throw. They walk in here and throw na body. And to me person walk, oh my Ghana who say who didn't throw, and 2% will face me. Them a different move. Now, but all the evidence never back. No prove. Na men so metinya again, metinya a depend it. Na metinya depend ya. Now what tinya nyasika boom woman sem. And yes sir. Na gana nyanya peace. Because who can break about who can something, let's make a different thing. And see.
Sorry, can I ask a question?
It would be the best way for us to just solve all this issue.
Can I ask a question?
Jumana, someone is asking.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question, please?
Asking? Okay.
Yeah, ask a question, please.
Before this case, on this page, did anyone know Frida?
No,
okay, I did.
Apparently, she was very known on Facebook.
Frida was not very known on Facebook. She was known in the Christian society.
Please, we don't know her. We don't know her. Please, we don't know her.
If you don't know her history, no. Can
I speak? She was yearning to be known. So this case here, Mama Akosua's case, she took advantage of it, and then she realized that she could trend. And now the lies that she kept lying, she doesn't want to stop, and that's making her trend more. So she's getting the benefit out of it, that she wants to trend. Into the answer of Kenya, but then she keeps saying it. Not minister, any normal person wouldn't believe what he's saying. But still, because of Ghana laws, Abuano, nke enchempono modi
2 minutes, am I here?
But one thing
if you go to lawyer,
yeah, Ghana laws na one into the old step.
What baby?
Ghana for the Ghana law am I feel into ocho de biana de biaso into the buano na into the ocho into na Ghana law for so omu dia buano into the me ma kuma see I've had a case in this country. Yeah, quite a case management. I'm calling a case near a case. Oh, okay, yeah, settlement out of court, and I see. One is out of court, I will lose. Okay, yeah, settlement out of court. Simple. And can't check. Come on, can't check. Because I'm going to know what you say. Sergeant, it won't take that long.
But aside in Trona or Chaniwehu, I think it's what the strategy was. Then it's also in the past, they come and rant and scream and lie and things like that. And then I'm not saying all 13 legals, but then you had some people who will come and debunk it with evidence. So basically, they didn't have the info, but then because they come and rant and in a bid to try and defend Mami Akosua Serwaa, they also come and counter. So in a way, they don't have any information. Yeah. But when we say because they are speaking something so evil and so painful, some people come back and then defend it, and by defending it, you are, which is why even here in the United Kingdom, when they arrest you, your lawyer will immediately advise you no comment, because the minute you begin to speak, you
see a question. Dr. Likey live in O2 London show.
It took all of them by surprise, because at that point, we had learned and realized that no, we are not going to. I mean, because as fine, one said the attention and the focus now was some of the ladies bashing her father and bashing certain people. So the main things that was going on back door, by the time they realized it, Naima was out of the country. So now, unlike before, when they are hitting, now they're hitting the nail, they're hitting so hard. So you also want to come and defend it. And by defending it, what we have spoken back door, out of pain, a lot of the women that come out and speak, and I don't think they say they do that for, but I think a lot of them know it is the passion. And sometimes when you are over passionate about something, reasoning is the last thing you think about.
Yeah,
you act before you reason, and by the time you realize it, now you've caused more damage than you've done good. And so I think it's now the strategy you guys are moving is perfect, because now and Osha, it is the same repetition of what they've been saying for months now. It's what they keep repeating, because what else can you say?
Sorry. So you see, with sorry to say, you see with Ifya Schwarzenegger, when Ghana here, okay, I know Okochimpna. So for such a person, of sebi too near, because I mean, we all know when we go back 5 years, 10 years back, we can see all those things. Akosua bibi sawo no hoye.
Madam, I saw you pain.
You understand? And for someone like Ohima Lumba, I don't know, but see that lady, obsession about them and or she's so obsessed with that Lumba. I tell you, I followed her about 4 years back, and she was posting about all those people now. Papa de omobo onyom and all that. Then suddenly, Papa we and I'm who say was switch it to the Oye Siciano, and I'm who say no, this lady is so obsessed with the man. And your pregnant so I enable no yes I know. Need na obsession about them. About them. You understand? We are all mad. Sorry to say, I'm so sorry if somebody is suffering from bipolar, but that is what they are.
I say that number abusing or social welfare on man counseling. She needs counseling.
Okay.
She doesn't need counseling.
No, she's able
because she's not vulnerable. She's not acting vulnerable.
No,
she's not acting vulnerable to be in a position to need counseling. Whatever she's doing, sorry, said me interject, sir.
Okay.
But Oprega in this country, she would not because in this country, in jailing that you can't hide behind people.
I'm checking the background too. I'm checking the background. At which age did they have sex? Was she abused or not? Like captured and share baby na. Cast one woman. Or pay I say it was also a nipple. Or but also the upbringing. We have different upbringing. When I came back to society. Okay, I'm
sorry for me to jump in.
No.
Even if she's been abused,
right?
Even if she's been abused or whatever, at this point in time, no, the man who was abusing you, he's dead. So you will quickly jump out and say, "Oh, I was a victim. I've been abused, so I need you." But this is a girl who has come out without any remorse. You understand? She knows what she's doing. Come on.
I know.
Shouldn't be excuse for that girl.
Now that she knows what to do, but before the background, the background, look at the background now.
No, Kwame, sorry I'm coming in. Kwame, sorry.